Welcome to Adulting with Joyce Spring. Watch the full video of this episode on my channel, www.youtube.com/joyspringtv. And if you want to level up your adulting game, check out joyspring.com/collections for my digital products and courses. Everybody knows that I use Trevino now, especially in the reservations that I make. So here we are. It's the podcast name and the Instagram username that's retained so far. But I'm always happy to have you on the podcast, love.
Oh, thank you. I'm always happy to be here as well. Despite everything that we've been going through individually, we are here now to talk about these things.
Yeah, we are trying to encourage you, even though we're very much discouraged ourselves. But to be honest, we've found that instead of sulking in your misery, trying to help other people actually helps you more than it helps others sometimes, especially if you're going through something.
Yun nga, parang in a sense keeping your yourself in check also. Parang hearing it out loud and saying it out loud also reminds you It reminds you na parang ito nga pala yung mga dapat na perspective in life, 'di ba? Not that we're saying that our perspective is right. Lahat naman pinag-uusapan natin dito, as far as I know, are the perspectives that we go through and we experience as well. So,
takot na takot ma-cancel
Oo, syempre, go!
Dito lahat
Oo.
Joke lang.
Ayoko na magsalita. Madalas ko nang pigilin yung sarili ko dahil sa the craziness and the sensitivity of
Oo nga, baka ma-offend kayo
the sensitivity of the world.
Yes. But nothing beats the canceling that we got last year. So I don't think it can get worse anymore.
At saka okay lang naman kasi sensitive rin naman ako
Oo nga, totoo naman.
So,
sensitive
diba?
dude.
Oo.
But speaking of sensitivity, medyo related dyan yung topic natin today. By the way, guys, like kung ginugulat si Juancho, if you see him like going like, huh? Yan yung topic natin. That's because nalalaman niya lang yung topic namin the moment that we start rolling. So,
Oo nga hindi ako kasama sa pre-prod
Oo, hindi ka kasama. Para talagang honest yung mo. And on the fly, yung mga naiisip mo.
Bahala na.
Oo.
Wala tuloy akong mahanda ng mga information kasi syempre gusto ng mga netizens yan. May parang
WanchoFacts.com.
Yes.
Okay. So, the topic for today related to sensitivity is emotional intelligence. At mababa ako dyan. Konting naman dyan.
IQ yan, di ba?
EQ.
EQ.
Konting naman.
Emotional ayun, di ba? Na-joke lang. Loosen up a bit ba? Live a little.
Live a little. Live a little.
Yung ba yung gusto mo sabihin? Konting naman dyan.
Hindi. Ang sasabihin ko, konting kontra naman dyan. Kasi sabi ko, mababa ako sa emotional intelligence. Ano ka lang yes, mababa ka nga dyan.
Hindi, ang sinasabi ko, ang pumapasok sa isip ko yung IQ, EQ. Yan di ba? Tama, di ba?
Yes. So, EQ to. EQ.
Oo.
So, emotional intelligence in the context of relationship and marriage. So, I wanted to give a definition first on emotional intelligence. Para nga dun sa mga nako-confuse between EQ and IQ. Basically, IQ is intelligence, kung gaano ka katalino. EQ is gaano ka katalino with your emotions. So, we know that the brain and the heart are two very different things. They operate in the very different ways, although one can make an argument that your brain, your amygdala, where your emotions are processed is a part of your brain, but still, ibang-iba po yan. So, emotional intelligence plays a vital role in establishing and nurturing healthy relationships. When partners possess high emotional intelligence, they are better equipped to communicate effectively, resolve conflicts, and express empathy towards one another. Now, let's start by defining and understanding what emotional intelligence is. So, emotional intelligence refers to the ability to recognize, understand, and effectively manage our own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. It is comprised of four main components: so self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, and relationship management. Oh, di
Wow.
ba?
Oh, sige, tingnan natin. Anong mga guide questions natin today?
So, let's talk about improving yung emotional. Okay, let's rate one another first.
Nako.
Yung mukha mo.
Totoo ba?
Okay.
May mga nanonood
May nanonood. Sige. I think this will be fun.
Okay. Honestly?
Honestly. If you were to describe your wife, we've been married now for 4 years.
I'm listening.
Bakit nagta-tighten yung jaw mo dito?
Nakikinig ako.
Sabi mo yung totoo,
para lang pagkatapos ito, syempre, walang sama ng loob.
So, sasama yung loob ko sa iniisip
Hindi,
mong
syempre,
sagot.
I have to be careful with my words that
So you're saying you can't be honest with me?
It's not about being honest. It's about being careful with my words.
So you mean to say that you walk on eggshells every day when you talk to me?
Hindi. It's about being careful with my words. It's just about being careful with my words. Because sometimes, I'm not very smart. And I choose my words quite recklessly. So this is why I'm preparing myself for this topic and etong rating one another
Okay.
experiment.
Haba na explanation niya. Mag-rate lang siya. Okay, rate your wife according to emotional intelligence. Okay, according to intelligence. Out of 10.
9.5.
Yung 0.5 pag pag bagong gising. Sabaw.
Hindi, yung 0.5 yung following instructions.
I just don't like reading instructions, okay?
Yeah, yun yung 0.5 na parang meron siyang default na a way to do things, like yun yeah. For example, hirap siya mag-follow ng ng directions.
Okay.
A lot of stuff like that. Like
Yes, we're starting off strong, okay? How about EQ?
EQ. Pasado naman.
Pasado naman.
Nasa
What is pasado
5.
naman? Hindi pasado yung 5.
Pasado yun 5 out of 10.
Hindi, dapat mga 6 man lang.
Ay, yun yung goal ko ng high school Bakit? Para sa akin, pasado yun
Hindi pasado ang 5. 50% ang 5.
Uy, pasado yun. Para sa akin, para sa culture na kinalakihan ko nung high school, 50% is that's
dapat
good
man
enough.
ng 7. 6.5 or 7.
70%?
So, bagsak.
Ano to, upkat? Kaya hindi na ako nag-try mag-upkat
5 lang out of 10? Grabe ka naman.
Oo.
Bakit 5?
Yung 5 na yun, it's a solid 5. I just wanna say that it's a solid 5. Like, the 5 yung, ano ba? Yung 5 na yun talaga yung panglaban na 5. Na malakas yung read the room energy mo.
Bakit 5 nga lang? So, bakit nga 5? Okay, fine. Explain. Like, if you were to describe my emotional intent, I know, okay.
Ito yung sa perspective ko. Sa perspective ko kasi, there are two sides of emotional intelligence. Please, I'm going out on a limb here. I did no research kung ano ba talaga yung emotional intelligence. Pero para sa akin, sa perspective ko ngayon, nakikita ko dalawang part ang emotional intelligence. Number 1 is yung yung nakikita mo, empathy, kung ano yung nararamdaman ng ibang tao, doon malakas si Joyce. At yung kalahati naman, yung nararamdaman niya, doon siya 0.
0. Yun.
Ano ba talaga yung nararamdaman mo? I don't know. I don't
I
know
have
what.
no emotions.
Hindi naman syempre joke lang yung zero. Pero parang during she is kind of baka katulad ng last episode na ginawa natin because of childhood trauma. Yung being in touch with your emotions in the moment is not really a forte of yours.
So you're saying I'm empathetic and compassionate to others, but I don't know how to feel by myself.
Yeah, something like that. Like,
Yeah, that is pretty accurate.
oo, hindi. Malakas yung pakiramdam mo. Malakas yung pakiramdam mo. Malakas yung feel mo towards other energies.
Mhm.
Diba? And, pero yun yan. Just like that. Yeah. And kapag yung sa sarili mo na, yung being self-aware with what you're feeling, what you're going through, it takes some time for you to kind of analyze that and, parang, okay, ito talaga yung nararamdaman ko. Okay, X, Y, and Z.
Yeah. And sobrang opposite si Juancho kasi 10 out of 10 siya sa emotional intelligence.
And 5 ako sa intel.
Hindi ko
IQ.
sinabi yun, di ah.
Hindi, sabi opposite eh. Ano may opposite nun? Tama, di ba? Sobrang opposite nun. Hindi,
Yung emotional
binaligtad lang.
intelligence. Yung emotional, opposite tayo sobra sa emotional intelligence. In
Okay
that,
lang, bebe. Okay lang.
hindi nga yun yung sinasabi ko. What I'm trying to say is, you're so good at that. You're so good at feeling your emotions. Do you get it? And I'm not. I'm really not. You're right. That's it for this episode of Adulting with Joy Spring. If you liked this podcast, please don't forget to use the hashtag Adulting with Joy Spring and also check out www.joyspring.com for the show notes and tag me on social media with @JoySpring. I'll talk to you guys again soon. Paalam!